Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Experience the Maths. This is Shweta Negi, and children, in this video we are going to solve exercise 9.1 chapter 9 10th class maths NCERT. So according to the question, from the top of a 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower is 60 degree and angle of its foot is 45 degree. Determine the height of the tower. Okay, so first we will understand the questions, then we will solve it. In this question we have a tower and a building. The height of the building is 7 meter and the height of the tower we have to calculate. Now what is the condition is given to us? From the top of a 7-meter high building, means from the building which is 7 meter high, the angle of elevation of the top of the cable tower is 60 degree. Means when suppose a person is standing on the building and he watching the cable tower. Okay, so the angle of elevation is 60 degree at the top of the cable tower, and the same time from the same position, if he is watching and looking at the foot of the tower, cable tower, the angle of depression is 45 degree. So children, when we are looking upside or watching to the upside or any object which is from the top height from our level, so the angle of elevation will be there. Suppose, and when we are watching the downside, downwards direction, there will be angle of depression. So here angle of elevation and only angle of elevation is mentioned, but angle of depression he is not saying. So we have to understand, in the second statement he is talking about the angle of depression, because he is from the same point, means top of the building, he is watching the foot of the cable tower, means he is looking downwards direction, so their angle of depression will be formed. Okay, now the based on the statement, according to the statement I have drawn the diagram. This is a cable tower with the height h meter. Just opposite of it there is a building with the 7 meter high. A person or a point is on the top of the building at point A, and from this point, so children, now the height of the building is 7 meter. So this is the ground level, okay, but this will be the horizontal level and this is the line of sight. So angle of elevation will be formed between the AM and AC. Okay, this will be the angle of elevation, because angle of elevation is always formed between the line of sight and the horizontal level. So as the building is 7 meter above the ground, so now the horizontal level move to the 7 meter high. So this will be our horizontal level. Okay, now a person is looking top of the transmission tower or a cable tower, and I am considering it as a point C. So the angle of elevation is 60 degree. Okay, and from the same point, when he watching the foot of tower, the angle of depression, he is not saying, but it will be the angle of depression, and always angle of depression is formed between the horizontal level and line of sight. So this angle will be 45 degree. This. Okay, so this is a straight line. So when we will move to this side, AB, and where this horizontal level is intersecting this cable tower, I am considering this as a point M. Okay, so now this AB and MD are parallel to each other and they will be equal. Okay, same here, AM is X, so BD will be the X, as it is parallel to each other and at the same distance. Okay, now AM is parallel to BD, so angle MAD MAD will be equal to ADB, alternate angle property. So now this angle is 45 degree. So first we will apply the tangent tan theta in the triangle ABD. Okay. So AB is equal to 7 meter. So MD will be the 7 meter. So MC means the second part of the tower. Means total is MD. This total is CD. MD is 7 meter. So what will be the height of CM? Total height we will reduce 7 meter. So it will be 7 minus H minus 7. So this height, which height? This height will be H minus 7. Okay. So now first we will see in the triangle ABD. Okay, ABD. So as I mentioned, MAD is equal to ADB. AM parallel to BD, alternate angle. This one. AM is parallel to BD. So alternate angle is forming over here. Okay, bache. So now first we will apply tan 45 degree. So AB perpendicular upon base 7 upon x. Okay. Perpendicular upon base. So perpendicular is 7 meter and base is x. Tan 45 is 1. So now 7 upon x, x will be 7 meter. That means the horizontal distance between the building and tower is 7 meter. Now AM is equal to BD is equal to 7 meter. Now I am taking the triangle CMA, CM and A. Okay. So tan 30 we will use. Tan 30 perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is H minus 7 and base is x. X is 7 meter. So now put these value. Tan 60 perpendicular upon base CM upon MA. So root 3 tan 60 H minus 7 upon x. I am putting the value x as 7. Cross multiplication. Taking this minus 7 to the left hand side. So it will be plus. Taking 7 common. Root 3 plus 1. So the height of the tower will be 7 root 3 plus 1. So if you want to put the value, or in the exam if the root 3 value is given to you, you can put the value of root 3 1.732 and can simplify it, and otherwise you can leave till here. So this is correct answer.